I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it. Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
Okay, y'all, I just finished getting my lashes done, and we can get into it. They look good. I really like them. She did good. Now we're on the way home, not to my home, but to Kamari's home, and I'm gonna do a little interview, and then we gonna finish with the rest of our day. So. Okay, y'all, now we is in TJ Maxx. Kai is looking for some earrings, and I'm just looking just to look. I need to go see if I can find me a strapless bra though, but I think we probably gonna go to Victoria's Secret either tomorrow or later. I don't know when we gonna go, but we definitely gotta go there, and I am looking for me something else. But yeah, we finna see. Okay, y'all, now we are at Chili's. I got me a little strawberry lemonade. Kai putting her on some lip gloss so she can look cute for y'all.
Oh no.
Okay, we're gonna show her later. She's still prepping, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow.
She get her hair done tomorrow, so.
Oh, well, tonight, I'm sorry.
Tonight, so we're gonna see her tonight when she get good. But we waiting on our food right now. I ordered a bacon burger. What did you order?
Triple dipper, which is like 3 entrees. I mean 3 appetizers.
She ordered a triple dipper, which is 3 appetizers. I think she got burgers and like some other stuff. We gonna see when the food is here. Okay, y'all, the food is here. This is my burger. And that's Kai's appetizer entree type ordeal. It looks delish. Okay, y'all, now we at Victoria's Secret, and I'm trying to get me a little strapless bra because every time I have a strapless dress, I just don't wear a bra, but like, I need to wear a bra this weekend, so we about to get that and head out and go to practice because we a little late now. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put these kinky straight clip-ins in. I just finished watering my hair. I should section it a little more evenly. Yeah, we finna see how they look. It's literally 3 a.m. We're doing this, but we're doing it. We're getting it done. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so these is the clip-ins. Got them from Amazon. They're gonna be linked in my storefront, duh. But I feel like they blend well with my hair. At first, it wasn't
I felt like it wasn't really like getting straight, but that was actually good because my real hair wasn't staying straight anyway. But they blend really good. If you do not have straight hair, or if you wear hair natural most of the time, you know your hair don't stay straight, I would definitely recommend get you some kinky straight clip-ins, or like, you know, kinky straight bundles or something. Because I had to take my bundles out because I was kind of flat ironing it, but I got these kinky straight clip-ins in. We finna curl on. Good morning, y'all. It is J15. What time is it? 10:25 a.m. I need y'all to like just completely ignore the background. I'm just gonna get ready. But I'm not gonna get ready, but I'm gonna do my press ons. I got these nails, got this nail glue, I got me a little light, and literally I have everything else in this bag. These are the nails. But I know y'all like, when is girl gonna take this bonnet off? But why do I keep saying but? I am gonna do my makeup first, and then I'm gonna take my curls out like after I am dressed, because I want to take my curls out at the last minute.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.
Okay, y'all, I know y'all like, how did we just jump from doing makeup to being in a car and ready? But y'all, I literally, this is Nemo now. She's ready. Yeah, I should get my light, but I'm gonna wait till we get out there. But we're about to take our pictures. I couldn't finish recording because my SD card got full, and I just had a whole lot of technical difficulties. But now we're here gonna take our pictures, and I'm gonna just sit y'all up to watch behind the scenes, and let's go. Y'all, we just finished taking pictures, and we went to Potbelly, I got a shake, and Mo got a sandwich. Yeah. And now we're on the way back to my house. We're gonna let our phones get some juice and like get ready for dinner basically. Okay, Taylor, I'm gonna do how you be doing. How y'all feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm tired.
Okay, okay.
I feel good.
Okay.
115.
I'm 115.
Yeah.
I just want everybody to remember who the biggest is, who the first is, and who the finest is.
Ooh, okay.
Because without us, you won't have these letters on your chest.
Ooh, okay.
Remember that.
That was good. I think they needed to hear that.
I really think everybody should learn to.
Oh no, that's not going to him.